Nairobi.
Meanwhile, former self-proclaimed leader of the outlawed Mungiki sect, Maina Njenga, appears to be enjoying the privileges of power after shifting his political allegiance from opposing the Kenya Kwanza's administration to fully supporting it. Now, despite facing active criminal charges in court, Njenga now enjoys state security, fueling speculation that the government is using him to counter the political influence of former Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua in the Mount Kenya region. As our senior political affairs reporter Chris Thyro explains, Maina Njenga is no stranger to being courted by successive regimes. He has been used and dumped by at least 4 regimes.
At the height of last year's Gen Z-led nationwide protest against the Kenya Kwanza administration, Maina Njenga was a marked man, arrested multiple times, detained and charged with various criminal offenses. He was accused of being a key financier and strategist behind the demonstrations. However, since Rigathi Gachagua's ouster, Njenga has transformed into a favorite of the same administration that once targeted him.
Tusibabishwe na mtu yote ama kundi la watu ambao wamekujisanya kusema kwamba viongozi wetu wasije mashinani.
After allegedly brokering a political deal with the government, Njenga's first major appearance was in Nyeri County, Rigathi Gachagua's home turf, where he held a New Year's Eve meeting, urging residents to back President William Ruto's administration.
We will support the president and his deputy to deliver on the election pledges.
The turning point came when Njenga, flanked by armed escorts and a convoy complete with sirens, made a dramatic appearance at a prayer meeting organized by Pastor Dorcas Gachagua in Nyeri town over the weekend. The use of state resources displayed his newfound status and hinted at high-level backing within the administration.
This gang is known to have committed crimes against humanity. Now, with the sponsorship of government, they have come back. And for sure, they have started.
It is a shame that as we fight femicide, as we fight GBV, the government of Kenya Kwanza can sponsor violence against women in Mount Kenya region, as we saw yesterday.
Nilimwona hapa jana, anaenda anapata mkutano wa maombi, anaharibu. Juzi nimemsikia akisema ati anapambana na mtu anaitwa Ketu Arogoro. Awachane na Ketu Arogoro, awachane na Dorcas, akuje Harekenywa.
According to reliable sources, the Kenya Kwanza administration is using Njenga to pave the way for Deputy President Professor Kithure Kindiki's entry into the Mount Kenya political landscape. Nearly 3 months into his tenure, Kindiki has made only 2 official visits to Embu County, carefully steering clear of other parts of the region.
Mudhomi Njukienda ambia Deputy President awache uoga. Hajafika hata nyumbani. Ati atatolewa, kwani akitolewa Gachagua amekufa? He has never come home tuambie ukweli. Sababu anaambiwa usiende mlimani, wewe kazi yako ni kuunganisha Kenya. How can you unite Kenya when you have not united your home?
Tunasema mkiwa Nyeri.
For now, Maina Njenga's alliance with Kenya Kwanza seems secure, despite his unresolved legal battles. Observers note that this isn't the first time Njenga has been used by a regime seeking to leverage his grassroots mobilization skills. Historically, such alliances have ended with the revival of criminal cases against him. Chris Thyro, KTN News, Nairobi.
Just ahead, tension high in Mombasa Road.